Hey guys, welcome to my animated life. Alright, so today I got a video for you guys where I'm going to be trying to make my own homemade natural cleaning products. So I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and I just decided to finally try it out. I found a few recipes that I want to try out, and I don't know, I'm gonna try them out today and I'm gonna see if they work, let you guys know how I like it. And yeah, I've really just been wanting to just really start changing my lifestyle to a more natural, healthy, just a better lifestyle for me and my family, as far as like my diet, exercise, and even the products that I use. So as you can see behind me, this is all the things that I'm gonna be using for the video today. So first thing I got is baking soda. We got essential oils. I got eucalyptus, sweet orange, and lemongrass. And then I have some lemons. You just get regular lemon juice. You don't have to use real lemons. The next thing I have is my water. I meant to get distilled water, but I got purified drinking water, which hopefully doesn't make too much of a difference, but that's what I have. You're supposed to use distilled water. I get that if you don't have it, or if you have the option to. So anyway, next thing I have is white vinegar, which I heard is really good for a lot of different DIY cleaning products. Next thing I'm gonna be using is, I have some Castile soap. I got the lavender scent. It smells good, but they didn't really have a lot of options at my store too. So you can get whatever scent you want, or don't get a scent if you just wanna make your own scents. Next thing we're gonna need is some peroxide. I have some peroxide here. And then the last thing we have are some containers to put our cleaning products in. So I have the spray bottle and just some jars, whatever little empty containers I can find around the house. And another thing you guys are gonna need that I forgot is the Dawn dish soap. So make sure you have some dish soap. Oh, and by the way, you're gonna also need a bowl, spoon, something to mix with. A tablespoon, which I need to get more tablespoons. I don't know where my tablespoons went, so I'm gonna be using this instead of a tablespoon. And then I have a chopping board and knife for my lemons. But again, if you use lemon juice, you don't need that. First things first, we're going to be making is our all-purpose cleaner. So for the all-purpose cleaner, we're gonna be using water here. We're gonna be using vinegar. And we're also gonna be using our essential oils and our Castile soap. I'm gonna take my spray bottle and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of vinegar first. That. Next, we need 20 drops of oil. Okay. Next, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. So let's get our soap. Beware, it may get messy trying to make cleaning products. Okay, so I think that's 2 tablespoons right there. And then, okay, so let's add the water in here. And you just add as much water to fill up your container. All right, guys, so we have our first product. This is our all-purpose cleaner, and it is very lemon smelling already, so I'm excited to use it. All right guys, so let's get into the next tutorial. So next cleaning product that I'm going to be making is a glass cleaner. So for this one, you're gonna be using some white vinegar. You're also gonna be using some Dawn dish soap, and you will need water. So what we will be doing is mixing everything together. So you'll also need some measuring cups. You will need 1 cup and the 1/4 cup. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Okay. And then we're going to need 1 cup of water. Okay, so then the last thing we will need is 2 to 3 drops of the Dawn dish soap. Okay. So now this is our glass cleaner. I hope it works. It looks kind of soapy. I don't know. We'll see. We will be testing these and seeing how effective they are. 2. Excuse you. You want to put the tops back on? Thank you. My little helper. All right, guys. So for the next cleaning product, we're going to be making our own version of bleach. So for this recipe, we are going to need 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which was 1 lemon for me. And then we will also need 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. And then you'll need some water. So I'm going to pour my lemon juice in my container first. That's in my container. Next, we will need 1 cup of peroxide. And then the rest of my solution will be water. All right, so there we have our DIY bleach. I'm gonna be trying this with my laundry. It has a lemon scent to it, so this is pretty cool. Can't wait to use that. All right, guys, so then our next cleaning product is going to be a floor cleaner. So I got my jar here for my floor cleaner. You will need 2 cups of water. You're going to need 1 cup of your Castile soap, and then you're going to need about 50 drops of your essential oil. I'm going to be mixing my eucalyptus with my lemongrass essential oil, so 25 drops each. So let's get into this. All right, so first I'm going to do my 2 cups of water, which I am just realizing I'm just going to cut back on the recipe a little bit because my jar is so small. So I'm only going to do 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to do 1/2 cup of my Castile soap. Drops of essential oil. All right, so this is our mopping solution. Now see how that looks. No dyes, all natural, and it smells so good. And you guys can really make it smell however you want it to smell. Just get the essential oils that you like. Okay, so then the next cleaning product we're gonna be making is going to be a shower cleaner. So for this one, only 2 ingredients. You're gonna need Dawn, which you need 2 tablespoons, and then you're gonna need 2 cups of vinegar. So let's do this real quick. And then you're gonna need your 2 tablespoons of Dawn. Oh, smells interesting. Okay, I would say 15 drops of essential oil to help get rid of that vinegar smell. And you should be good to go. Okay, so this is how our shower cleaner looks. So I got 2 jars of shower cleaner from that recipe. Okay guys, so the last cleaning product we're gonna be making is going to be a glass stovetop cleaner. As you can see, I need to clean my glass stovetop. Those areas are really hard to get out. So I'm gonna see if this will help. The first thing you're gonna do is mix equal parts of Dawn and peroxide. So that is what I've done already in my jar here, and that's all you're going to be mixing together. So now you want to take your solution that you have. You'll also need baking soda and white vinegar. So you're going to take your solution that you have. Don't mind my cracked oven, but you're going to take your solution and you're going to pour some on your oven or on your stovetop. Okay, so now you're gonna spread that solution around. You may need more. Just put as much as you need for your oven. Oh, but a little goes a long way. Okay, so next you're gonna take your baking soda and sprinkle that on the oven. Sprinkling. Okay, and then you're gonna rub the baking soda in too. So rub that in for a few minutes. Make sure I get over here. All right guys, so this is how my stovetop now looks after I did the baking soda and Dawn dish soap and hydrogen peroxide mixture. As you can see, it's a little ashy, but it did get most of that hard to clean areas out, so that's good. I like this. Now what we're gonna do is put some vinegar on top of this and wipe it down, and the vinegar is what's gonna make it look nice and clean and shiny. All right, and we are done. This is how my stovetop looks. Looks way cleaner and shinier now, so I really like this.